going to explain the physiology of a different neurotoxin brands in a way that you'll never forget, and that will make total sense. Neurotoxin has two main components. It's the active ingredient and the carrier molecule. The active component is a botulinum toxin type A, and it is basically the same, has just slight differences between different brands, but it does the same thing. It blocks the acetylcholine vesicle to be able to go and send a signal to the message to do a muscular contraction. Now the carrier molecule here, it is something that helps to deliver that active component to where it's supposed to work. Third component is a different feeling substances that helps to kind of suspend the whole concoction and just allow it for a better overall physiology. Botox, Jeuveau, Lativo, and Dysport have all three of this component with slight differences. They're basically the same. Xeomin, the naked neurotoxin, does not have any of these components. It only has the active component and a carrier molecule. Daxi-5 does have all this stabilization component, but instead of albumin-based carrier molecule, it has this big protein complex, which is also a skin enhancement. That's why patients notice a little bit of glow on the skin, and that's what we were noticing in clinical studies now underway, that it can produce even some collagen stimulation. To conclude, the only notable thing is the Dysport. Even though it has the same component as the Botox, it has a little bit of different diffusion. So meaning if you inject the Dysport, it's going to cover a little bit bigger area than with the Botox. So take that into consideration when you're working in a tight spaces or patients who have a high risk of droopy eyebrows.